Working with Vinnie Restoration Marketing has been seamless from day one. The team we work with directly is always on top of communication whenever we need them, and they're easy to reach by email, phone call, text, or Zoom calls. We've tried a few different marketing companies for our business, and none have been as open and honest with us as Vinnie Mac. It truly feels like a partnership, and we're building something for the long term. I'm confident we'll have them in our corner for the foreseeable future. If you're a business owner in the restoration space, and you're looking for a marketing team that's responsive, transparent, and genuinely invested in your success, I highly recommend Vinnie Mac. I can't say enough good things about them. They've absolutely earned the praise. Vinnie Mac has had a significant impact on our business since we joined. They helped us implement a system that allows us to clearly track performance from the marketing channels they manage, including search engine optimization and paid ads. Using the call tracking numbers they set up, we can now see exactly how many calls are coming in and where they're coming from. We also have a pipeline to view the status of each job, and we can build custom pipelines based on our process. On top of that, we can create automated tasks and reminders, which has helped our team stay organized and consistent. This is all included in the service they provide. Another huge win is the Google Sheet they built for us. It's easy for our team to update, and their team can also view it internally, so everyone stays aligned. We use it to track job updates and revenue from jobs secured, giving us a measurable way to see the impact their work is having on our business. Overall, this has been tremendous for tracking job revenue, the number of jobs coming in each month, and the increase in leads we've seen since working with them. Vinnie Mac has done an exceptional job guiding us through the online space as business owners. Because our day-to-day is so focused on keeping the business running, we don't always have the time to stay consistent with social media or focus on other important areas of online marketing. Finding a true partner who shares your goals, aligns with your vision, and executes at a high level can be difficult. But Vinnie Mac has been exactly that for us. Since we started working with them, we've had a great experience with everyone on their team. They're genuinely invested in helping us grow, they listen to feedback, and they implement changes quickly. Having them as part of our team has been a huge win. Whether things are going wrong or going great, it's reassuring to have someone we can call and count on. I honestly don't think we'd be where we are today without them. They've lifted a huge weight off our shoulders by managing our online marketing and social media, keeping our platforms organized, tracking performance, and putting systems in place that work across both teams to keep pushing us to the next level.